Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Today's product I want to share with you is a rolling file system by a company called LIDTOP. And as you can see, it is right here next to me. So this thing is made out of all powder-coated metal, and then it also has some plastic laminate wood at the top and at the bottom. So what's nice about this thing is it's a perfect setup for if you have an office environment because it can come with wheels. You can move it around between desks. And you'll notice it has these V-shaped metal baskets that are mesh, so that way dust or debris will fall through them, and they can be accessed from either side. So if you have a two-desk setup, you can put your files on either side for each person. And then the same thing at the bottom, there's an optional little wavy divider that keeps each person's own little space. And then at the top, you have a nice little display case or where you can set like a purse or set other items that you may need. Now, as far as assembly was super easy. Everything comes with it that you need to put it together. You don't need any extra tools or anything like that. Instructions are very, very clear on how to follow. Everything had little stickers on it. My only complaint with the stickers is they were a little tough to get off, so you may need some like glue gun to help remove that extra stickiness. But other than that, it cleaned up really, really well. Now, to give you an idea of the size of this thing, it is approximately 9 inches by 15 inches wide, and then the height is 32¼ inches with the wheels. But this thing is very versatile, so if you don't want to use the wheels and kind of move it around, they do include little feet here that would actually lower it a little bit and then keeps it stationary. So the wheels are completely optional if you want to put those on. If not, you have the little feet. It came with all the extra, like it had a piece of extra little screw or anything like that if you're concerned about pieces missing when you are assembling it. Now you can use this as, like I said, an office situation where you have files and folders that are easy to pull out. But also if you have a situation, let's say you are wanting to utilize this in a kid's room or a daycare, these are actually designed very well for books. You can slide in books in here, makes it easy for the kiddos to grab. Or if you want, you maybe can take out 1 or 2 of these because it's very kind of flexible in your use. But overall, it's very sturdy, it's very easy to move around. Everything that came with it that made it super easy to install. And for all those reasons, I do highly recommend it if you are looking for a mobile filing system. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.